Say hello to... Hey, where is? Are you okay? And what are you doing here? I think I have an idea, but I hope you've gotten over your... Oh, Jack, here we go again. It all started a couple of months ago when Jack found a new hobby. A bottle of soda just fell into his hands, and he decided to try it. The cola not only quenched his thirst, but also instantly lifted his mood. And then Jack realized that he couldn't live without it anymore. Slow down, Jack. You know that if you don't stop, the soda will eat away at your stomach, which will swell to such a size that you... Oh no, it's too late! Oh, Jack, what a shame that it's just a myth. Don't be too happy, Jack. Look at your teeth. As I thought, you have caries. The high acidity of soda, combined with sugar, may not have torn your stomach apart and is literally eating away at your teeth. And no matter how hard you try, healthy gums are not easy to get back. Okay, Jack, I see you've been cutting back on your cola consumption. One day shouldn't have any consequences, should it? Oops, something went wrong. But what? So, a regular liter bottle of cola contains about 90 grams of sugar, which is equivalent to 16 cubes of refined sugar. And if you drink just one bottle a day, then that's more than the daily requirement for any person, regardless of gender. Glucose, which sugar is made of, is pure carbohydrates. In excess, it not only complicates the liver's work, but also drains useful vitamins from the body, as well as magnesium, zinc, and potassium. No wonder you feel sick. Oh, what is this? It looks like all the processed sugar has accumulated and turned into subcutaneous fat. You should get some fresh air outside. Oh, Jack. Oh, you're awake. The results came back. The sudden load caused your blood pressure to spike and arrhythmia to develop. You should stop drinking that. Hey, what are you doing? Stop. Oh no, you've developed an addiction. It's interesting, but those who drink soda on a regular basis are more likely to seek out new sensations. Carbonated drinks containing sugar and caffeine stimulate the same neurochemical pathways in the brain as other addictions. After all, they activate the reward system in the brain, increasing the level of dopamine. And if a person has already gotten used to constantly resorting to one form of achieving easy happiness, then there is a chance to switch to something more serious. They barely revived you, Jack, but unfortunately, you have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. In fact, glucose is very useful because it provides cells with energy. The pancreas produces insulin and breaks down glucose. That's the only way the cell can absorb it. But in your case, the cells are so fed up with such a monotonous diet that they refuse to eat anything and start a riot. And where are you going to put all that sweet stuff now? Now, you can't have anything sweet or fatty for the rest of your life, Jack. But there's good news. This time, I'll personally make sure you get better. That's why I'll do everything I can to make sure you never touch soda again. Jack? Calm down. You're not finished with your treatment yet. It's pointless, Jack. Is it really a holiday? Hey Jack, what are you thinking of? Oh my God, he's gone crazy. So that's how it all came to this. Well, Jack, I hope you achieve your goal. Your will is strong, and your efforts are worthy of praise. What a pity that these efforts were in vain. Ugh, you should have just drunk water.